We are the third fastest growing port in the country, and we have the fifth largest amount of tonnage of all ports in the country. So there's no small significance to having the Port of Beaumont back in operation. We began working with the FEMA team probably within a month of the storm. There was some emergency dredging, as I mentioned, to get our water depths back at the face of each dock, and there was various debris scattered across the port waters that needed to be removed after Harvey. FEMA's also been helpful in the sense that they've encouraged us to look for ways to mitigate this damage. And this is actually one such area where we were able to not only put back what we lost, but make it a bit more resilient than it originally was. There was a significant amount of shoreline erosion with the high river stage and quick currents after Harvey. Our project and our redesign is going to be to restabilize and armor this slope with a more resilient concrete revetment mattress here. Rehabilitation and repair efforts are ongoing on various port facilities. It's been an exciting time to see not only these projects restoring what we lost, but also the future growth that the port is planning on.